this piece right here. We extended the door, made it wider, so not this piece, that'll take care of it, but that right there isn't gonna pass. So we're gonna take back to there, put a new piece in, and maybe do the same over there. It's a small piece too, so we'll see how it goes. Carlos is not here today. Very, very sorry to disappoint. Called in drunk. No, what am I gonna do? Saying that's what I mean. Some are easy to see, others are hard. Some of this shit really blends together, boys. One thing I forgot to say is when you're cutting, it's important that you know the tongue side from the groove side. So right here is the tongue, so we need the groove. So you measure from the groove to whatever you need to cut to. Get rid of pencil marks, get rid of pencil marks. Not like I'm trying to add more work for myself, but if I take this plank out to right here, that one will be way easier to install, and then this one I can probably slip right in. Yeah, that's the move. And make sure there's enough stock. That's what separates the men from the boys.